Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5. Our first pick is Bionic Steel Metal Garden Hose. If you're tired of kinking, tangling, and punctured garden hoses, the Bionic Steel Metal Garden Hose is a game changer. Designed with 304 stainless steel, this 50-foot hose is built to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions while remaining lightweight and flexible. With its crush-resistant fittings, rust-proof design, and included nozzle, it's a solid investment for gardening, car washing, and other outdoor tasks. One of the most frustrating issues with standard hoses is how easily they kink and tangle, restricting water flow. The Bionic Steel hose completely eliminates this problem with its flexible, tangle-free metal design. Despite being made of metal, this hose is remarkably lightweight compared to traditional rubber hoses. It's easy to carry, coil, and store, making it a great choice for people of all ages. The Bionic Steel hose is made from premium 304 stainless steel, making it rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and ultra-durable. Unlike traditional rubber or vinyl hoses that degrade over time, this metal hose holds up well against UV rays. Number 2 in this best garden hose list is Flexzilla Garden Hose. One of the biggest frustrations with standard garden hoses is how easily they kink and twist, restricting water flow. The Flexzilla hose is made from a unique hybrid polymer that remains ultra-flexible, even in cold or hot weather. This means you won't have to fight with a tangled mess when watering your garden. Many hoses become stiff and difficult to use in extreme temperatures, but not this one. The Flexzilla remains flexible in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning it performs just as well in the winter as it does in the summer. Despite being a heavy-duty hose, the Flexzilla is surprisingly lightweight. It's easy to carry, maneuver, and store, making it perfect for people of all ages. Whether you're moving it around your yard or coiling it up for storage, you won't be struggling with extra weight. The hose features high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum fittings, which are crush-resistant and built to prevent leaks. They connect securely to your spigot and nozzle, ensuring a tight seal with no frustrating drips. A standout feature of the Flexzilla Garden Hose is that it's lead-free and drinking water safe. If you need a hose that's safe for filling pet water bowls, kids' pools, or even your own water bottle. Our third choice is Kink Control Plus Water Hose 25 feet. The Technor Apex Kink Control Plus Water Hose 25 feet is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a kink-resistant, high-strength hose that's easy to use and built to last. With strong burst resistance, durable connectors, and superior flexibility, this hose is ideal for gardening, washing cars, and other outdoor tasks. The hose features heavy-duty, crush-resistant couplings that ensure a tight, leak-free connection. This means no frustrating water drips at the spigot or nozzle, making your watering tasks more efficient. Manufactured in the United States, this hose meets high-quality standards and offers long-lasting durability compared to lower-quality imports. If you prefer to buy American-made products, this is a great choice. Unlike stiff, rigid hoses, The Technor Apex Kink Control Plus remains highly flexible, even in cold temperatures. Whether you're using it in hot summer months or chilly fall mornings, this hose won't stiffen up or become difficult to work with. This hose is constructed with triple frame technology. Fourth pick in this best garden hose list is Pocket Hose Silver Bullet 2.0 expandable garden hose. If you need a hose that's safe for pets or kids, the Pocket Hose Silver Bullet 2.0 is lead-free, making it a great choice for filling pet bowls, watering edible plants, or even taking a quick sip on a hot day. One of the biggest advantages of the Pocket Hose Silver Bullet 2.0 is its expandable design. When water is turned on, the hose expands up to 25 feet, and when turned off, it shrinks back down for easy storage. This makes it ideal for apartments, patios, RVs, and small yards where storage space is limited. Unlike traditional plastic fittings that crack over time, this hose features solid aluminum connectors that are leak-proof and rust-resistant. The easy on-off valve at the end of the hose provides extra convenience, allowing you to stop water flow without running back to the spigot. Our fifth and last choice is Flexi-Hose Lightweight Expandable Garden Hose. If you're looking for a long, lightweight, and hassle-free garden hose, the Flexi-Hose 100-foot expandable garden hose is a great option. One of the biggest advantages of the Flexi-Hose is its expandable design. When water is turned on, the hose expands up to 100 feet, and when the water is turned off, it shrinks back down to a fraction of its size. This makes it easy to store and ideal for anyone who hates dealing with bulky, heavy hoses. The double-layer latex core enhances the hose's durability, preventing bursts or leaks. This makes it a more reliable choice compared to single-layer expandable hoses. Unlike traditional rubber hoses that kink, twist, and get stuck, the Flexi hose is designed to be kink-free. The fabric outer layer and flexible inner core allow for smooth movement around your garden without interruptions. With 100 feet of reach, this hose is perfect for large yards, gardens, and driveways. Whether you need to water plants, wash your car, or clean outdoor furniture,